In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo Signup form to Shopify store. By the end, you'll have Klaviyo installed from your Shopify admin and connected so your signup form activity can flow smoothly into your store. Start by going to the Shopify website and signing in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Apps. This opens the area where you manage everything you've installed, and it also gives you access to the Shopify App Store if you need something new. Next, find the search bar for apps. Click into it, type Klaviyo, and press Enter. Give the page a moment to load. You'll see the Klaviyo app listing appear along with its rating, reviews, and a summary of what it does. Take a quick moment to confirm you're looking at the official Klaviyo app by checking the name and description so you know you're installing the right tool for email and sign-up form management. When you're ready, click the Install button. Shopify may prompt you to review the permissions the app needs to work properly. Read through those so you understand how the integration functions, then confirm to continue. The installation may take a few seconds, so let it finish before clicking anywhere else. After the app is installed, you'll see Klaviyo available in your Apps area. Click it to open the Klaviyo app dashboard from within Shopify. This is where the connection between Klaviyo and your Shopify store is completed. Follow the on-screen prompts that guide you to connect Klaviyo to your Shopify website. You'll typically see a clear button or message to finalize the connection. Approve what's needed so the two systems can securely talk to each other. Once connected, the Klaviyo dashboard will indicate that your store is linked. This connection is what allows your sign-up form data to sync into Klaviyo, so your subscriber information is captured and ready for your campaigns and automations. If the page takes a moment to update, give it a little time to refresh. A few quick tips as you go. Make sure you're logged into the correct Shopify store if you manage more than one. Use a stable internet connection during installation, and keep everything in the same browser window to avoid losing your place. If the search bar doesn't appear right away in the Apps section, scroll a bit or look for the option to visit the Shopify App Store. That's it. You've navigated to the Apps section, found Klaviyo, installed it, opened the Klaviyo dashboard, and connected it to your Shopify website. You're now set for your sign-up form activity to flow into Klaviyo.